Meet again with me at the last news. It is reported that strange noises are heard every night in an old house that has not been inhabited for a long time. It's suspected that the family of the owner of the house died in an accident while traveling out of town. And there is already my colleague Dea, who will report and interview local residents or the situations in the old house. Okay, Dea, how is the current situations and condition at the location?
Okay, here I'm at the scan where this house is no longer inhabited with that I will interview several research person. Okay, I know how many scan of the incident. Here are three sources who are evidence to the incident the now. Excuse me, miss, what is your name?
My name is Giana Yuliandari.
Can I have a moment, please?
Yes, you can.
I want to ask for a little information regarding the news about the sound of voice here from one of the empty house around here.
I heard the voice myself.
So, did you hear the voice yourself or did it just come from people on conversion? Can you explain the chronology of even the in detail?
So, that the time I came home playing around 10 at night. After I entered the house and I rested while playing on my cell phone. Not long after that I heard strong sounds, but I didn't pay attention to the sound.
So, was it only my mother who heard about this incident or did others also hear it? Are you bitter by strange occurrence like this, Bo?
According to the opinion of people around this house, it had been abandoned for a few years. This house was abandoned because, according to the opinion of the people around here, that the occupants had an accident outside the city. So this house was abandoned several years ago. That's why this house is empty.
Okay, miss, thank you for your time and for telling me the chronology of the incident. Okay, thank you. Okay, here I also interviewed the miss who is here. Excuse me, miss, what is your name?
My name is Alfi Hamdani Putri.
Can I have a moment, please?
You can. Yes, you can.
I want to ask for little information regarding the news about the sound of voice here from one of the empty house around here.
Yes, I heard the sound at night, but there are sometimes resident heard one also had that resident sound.
So, did you hear the voice yourself or did just come from people of conversion? Can you explain the chronology of event in detail?
I read the introduction and sunset from the kitchen of house because the portion the second my house in very close to the bedroom of the house. Something I heard the sound of flower flowing and sound of filled with water.
If you might know, how long has this house been left behind and why was the house abandoned by its occupant?
You can say for yourself that this house in very on the his husband and forced by its phone and lost time because the fallen owner of this home bad an accident.
So was in only he missed or heard about this incident or did other next doors also hear it? Are you bothered by threats like this, Bo?
Are you bothered by sister incident like those born? And society I got nervous because of the noise and it describe the Mrs. time.
Okay, Miss. Thank you for your time for telling me the chronology of the incident. Thank you, Miss. Here I also interviewed the Mister who was here. Excuse me, Mister. What is your name?
Arif Saputra.
Can I have a moment, please?
Yes, I can.
I want to ask for little information regarding the news about the sound of voice from one of the empty house around here.
I heard it myself.
So, did you hear the voice yourself or did you come for people conversation? Can you explain the chronology of event in detail?
That night, I was sitting on the terrace of my house. Suddenly, I heard the sound of a child crying from the house.
If you might know, how long has this house been left behind and why was the house abandoned by occupants?
This house has not been occupied for the 10 years because this family has an accident outside the city.
So, was it only Mr. who were about this incident or did next door also hear it? Are you bitter by strange occurrence like this, Bo?
Constantly, at the time only I heard.
Okay, Mister. Thank you for your time and for telling me the chronology of the incident. Thank you. Well, there are several sources based on the information I got. So this house was born a few years ago because the couples had an incident with their family wide of town. With that, this house become empty and uninhabited. Okay, maybe that's all the information I can return to presenter.
Okay, thank you, Dea. So that's condition at distance. So much information that we can convey. I'm Hana Putri Viral. Good morning, goodbye, and see you later.